guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new. If you are, please hit the subscribe button below and join me each week for Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree walkthroughs, as well as a few organization videos in between. I have a giant Dollar Tree haul for you guys today, and there are so many brand new items that I cannot wait to show them to you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. We're going to start with DIY items. These are nothing new, but I picked them up because I thought they would be really pretty in my coastal kind of decor. They're just the star tea lights. And it says they have 240 total hours. I did find one of these. One for Miss Savannah. I actually did not find it. There was a lady in Dollar Tree who had it, and I said, "Where'd you find that?" And she said it was the last one, and a little while later she found me in the store and brought it to me and said she didn't want it. I thought that was super sweet. This is nothing new, but I thought it would be pretty in the bathroom. So there's that. Picked up this nautical rope for some DIYs. And then I found these wood rings. You may have saw them in the walkthrough, but I grabbed one package, and they can be used for all types of things, but they would be good for napkin rings as well. I grabbed some of this macrame cotton twine, and I grabbed 2 packages. And then this is out of the package because I used it for a project. It is the vinyl faux leather, and my store had so much, but I had used some to make a handle for a suitcase prop that we're using in our show. So that's that color. And you guys, it's really nice. I like it a lot. I also grabbed the navy blue color, and you can see it there. I found the, what do you call this? Wall vase. And I thought this would be really pretty with either some greenery coming out or succulents or something of that nature, but finally found it. I looked for that thing for the longest time, you guys. I found another one of those Vibe kitchen products, kitchen gadgets, and this is a palm-held vegetable peeler. And it has a little place for your finger to go through there so you can peel this way. So I have not tried this yet, but these are pretty high-end items, and when I looked one of the other ones up, it was sort of expensive. So I just keep picking these up when I see them. I found this peach tech case that I wanted, and they have them in all different fruits and summer type prints. So there's that. These shot cups again, because I'm using them for mouthwash. And I wasn't able to find them at a few stores, so I thought maybe I should start to stock up when I see them. So I grabbed another 24 pack. And I'm using that in my bathroom Dollar Tree hack with the mouthwash and the little pump bottle. I think you guys can find it in one of my videos. I'll link the video below. And then I finally found these, you guys. I've been searching for these for like weeks. I love these extra large storage bags. These ones are so big. So let me show you how big. When I say extra large, I mean they're really, really large, and they just come in handy for carrying large items. I can't even show you the bag because it's bigger than what I can fit into the frame, but it's really, really big. And it's very, very heavy duty as well, so it will not rip. And I picked up 3 of those. I used to buy these at 99¢, but I haven't seen them there either. I grabbed this non-slip rug underlay because I needed another one, and just in case you didn't know, they had them for $1.25. They are not the biggest because they're only 18 inches by 28.6. Still a good buy. Even if you bought 2, you'd still be getting a good deal. Bought another one of these jumbo blanket storage bags because I've been organizing my room and there's just too many blankets in this house. So I have like a blanket addiction. I'm always buying these fleece throws. So here are the beauty products that I'm going to go through real quick. I did find one of these nail polish applicators, and you stick it on the bottle of polish. If you're right-handed or left-handed and you go to paint your other one. I think it's just overall very useful in hanging on to the bottle of polish, because I have dropped mine before and spilled it everywhere, and let me tell you, that's a mess. And then I did mention these in my walkthrough, and this is the lavender hydrating lip balm, and it smells very lavender. I will probably try it at night because I like to use these products like that at night. But these ones say they're lipsticks infused with rose oil. They don't give you a color, but they are 2 different colors, as you can see on the end. So this one looks like this, very red. Not sure how opaque that is, but it does smell like rose oil. And then here's the other one. This one looks a little more like orange. I don't know, that one smells like rose oil too, but a little bit different than the other one. As usual, I picked up a lip oil. These are my favorite lip oils by LA Colors. And I've got the strawberry. I do buy the strawberry and the watermelon. Those are my 2 favorites. You guys found these brand name. I think you have to find these at Target. They are travel sizes. One is Energy Boost, and that one has citrus ginger and sea buckthorn. And that one, it smells okay. 4 fluid ounces, so perfect for travel. And then I grabbed this one called Pure Peace, and it has peony, rose water, and pink sea salt. That one does smell pretty good. And these, again, are great to throw into your travel bag. And, sorry, they are 3.4 ounces. I still think that's too much, isn't it? Don't they have to be 3 ounces, or I don't know, I'll have to check that out, and I'll put that on the screen. Then these are the men's. It says Sea and Surf body wash. That one smells really good. I think that's the one I liked. Yeah, that one smells really fresh. This is the Juniper and Sage. That one actually still smells really good. They all 3 of them smell really good. Yeah, and this is the Cedar and Cypress. I don't know if this is expired or not. I did not take it off yet, but some of them had a $1 off coupon, so I could use that on a full size at Target. I was totally shook by these, you guys. I love these so much. I might even put one in my hair. But they had the cherry hair clips and our barrettes, and then they have the strawberry clips.
How cute.
And then I also found some scrunchies. This is like a gingham with strawberries and a gingham, or a pink striped, yes, with strawberries. I did not see the cherry ones. I found this Bug-It Tap, Peel, Dispose, Never Touch a Bug Again. And this is so perfect for me, you guys, because I am terrified of bugs. And I don't get a lot of bugs in my house, but occasionally there is a big black spider somewhere in this house, and my daughter is always like, don't kill him, this is cruel. But I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. I don't want to kill them, but if I'm here by myself and there's a giant bug, I'm using this. Enough said. I grabbed some more of these Essentials collapsible storage containers, and these ones are pretty good quality. So this one sort of is like a nude pink with a gold detail in it, and they're really beautiful storage containers, you guys. And I mean, I think for $1.25, I just want to show you what it looks like. So I took it out, and it's pretty big, and it comes with the part that goes into the bottom right here. So I'm just going to push that in and show you kind of how nice this basket is. And it also has a handle to make it nice and easy to pull out off of the shelf. These are good, I think, in the bedroom if you're stacking them somewhere on top of the closet. You know, you can put scarves in there, you can throw socks in there, sports bras, whatever you want. You can also use them in your office for files. They're perfect size for that. So I grabbed 2 of the big ones and then 2 of the smaller size as well. And I'll show you that size is like kind of a baby size. I don't think I need to take these out to show you guys. They are 8 inches by 9 by 9. Also grabbed 2 of these magazine corrugated file holders. Sorry, not magazine, but you could use them for whatever you want. And I especially like this pink floral design. I've seen them for like a while, but I never picked them up. The sketchbook is new, at least new to me, never seen it before. You might already be able to tell that it's very shiny. Inside, yes, it's just a sketchbook. But the cool thing about this is that you can remove your design that you sketched and you can put it into here in this little pocket so that you can show it off, your latest sketch. So, great buy, never seen it before. This is new, premium pad folio block. Oh, sorry, that's in a different language. But I thought this was cool because it has this really nice black cover over it, like a portfolio. And then it's very simple. There's nothing really in it besides this, but it's very nice for taking notes, journaling, any kind of thing you want to do. Even junk journaling if you don't mind a bigger junk journal like this. I picked up some more labels because I go through labels like crazy, but these are dry erase labels, and I thought that was kind of cool because then you can just wipe them off and, you know, reuse whenever we can reuse, you guys. I found the Fitness Goals Journal, and it has peaches on it, and that is my favorite thing, peaches. So it was perfect. This is made by Crown Jewels. Let me just show you what's inside real quick. You've got your monthly goals, a weight tracker, and then you've got measurement goals, a meal tracker, and then a monthly fit tracker. It has a grocery list, and just, I think this is so nice. And I picked up this floral advanced coloring book from there, because I thought this one's like really easy just to hold, like even if you're flying on an airplane. Then I found those journals that I was looking for with the different scriptures at the top. And if you watched my walkthrough, which I'll link below, you'll see that I was super excited when I found both of these, and each page has a different scripture on it, and I love that. Just something to be inspired each day and to keep you grounded. I found the Jot pegboard organizers, you guys, for office, and they did not have the really big pegboards. You could pick one of those up at IKEA for a very reasonable price, the larger ones, but I just picked these up anyways because I wanted to show you guys. And these can be used in your craft room or your office, either one. I think I'll be using it in the craft room, but they have these two little square ones separately, and then they have the rectangular ones. So I grabbed one of each of these, and I'm just completely blown away by this. I grabbed the pegboard shelf. So it has these little hooks where you can hook it in and make a shelf. This is the hanging organizer tray, and this one has all the little places, all the things. You put like paper clips in here, and then they have these hooks. So I grabbed the loop hooks, and these ones are, oh, they show scissors kind of hanging off of that one, but they also have the what they call the ring hooks as well. So I grabbed a few packages of each. I just think this is the most amazing thing to have at Dollar Tree. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Oh, I missed one, you guys. There's another one, and this is another square-shaped pegboard shelf. So this is just a square. And then we had the longer one, the rectangular one. And then look at these. Aren't these the prettiest bows? You know, they remind me of hibiscus flowers, and they have them in all different color schemes. They have them in green and blue. I wanted the pink ones because these remind me of the hibiscus trees we had in our yard as I was growing up. I found these signs, and I thought those would be great for my classroom at the dance studio. For our shapes and color themes, there's two big posters, one with shapes, one with colors. So Let me just show you up close. And that is the haul, my friends. Thank you so much for watching today. And I would love for you to comment below. Let me know where you're watching from because I like to hear about that. Until the next time I see you, please always stay hopeful, always stay positive, and above all, stay kind. And I will see you the next time. Bye.